Crypto Charlie here, guys. Today is December 13, 2018. It is 10:15 Central Pacific Time. Today, guys, we're going to be talking about a few things here. We're going to be talking about Ripple XRP, about being added to Coinbase. We're going to be talking about a bomb threat that's going around with Bitcoin. And then we're also going to be talking about BAC and Nasdaq getting involved into the crypto space. With that being said, we are looking at coin market cap right now. We do have $104 billion as the market cap. Bitcoin, XRP, Ethereum, the usual suspects in the top three. Bitcoin is 3,300 a coin. XRP is 29 cents, and then Ethereum is a staggering $86. Not looking good for us right now. There's a lot of sea of red. We have noticed these cycles from time to time as far as everything drops, and then it shoots back up, and then it drops. So it's kind of we're staggering down without us really realizing it. For us crypto enthusiasts. With that being said, we're going to scroll up to what is holding Coinbase back from integrating Ripple XRP into the exchange. Ripple XRP is being held back by the federal court case. Coinbase is one of the largest exchanges to buy and sell cryptocurrency. It's also one of the main platforms where many beginners go to buy and invest. With this being said, on December 7th, Coinbase, a leading crypto to fiat exchange, announced it's exploring 31 crypto assets to integrate into the exchange. About time Coinbase is doing something cool. One of the cryptocurrencies finally is being considered is Ripple XRP. Although Coinbase expressed its intent to list XRP to the future, the majority of investors in the global Ripple community were not satisfied by it because of the firm's listing of 4 digital assets, including Decentraland, this month. So basically Coinbase is holding off right now based on the federal court case that's going on in the United States. Earlier this week, Dan Ramiro, the vice president and general manager of Coinbase, stated that the company wants to eventually list 90% of legally compliant assets as long as they are above a certain quality bar. That quality bar is a very vague statement there. He emphasizes that, like a traditional stock market, the company wants to provide users with as many selections as possible to allow users to decide which cryptocurrencies to invest in. Ramiro said, quote, "Our recent shift in strategy is really driven by customers. When we asked customers the number one thing what they want, they told us it's adding new cryptocurrencies to the platform. Dude, we've been asking this for ever. Like, I think it's because they realize they're not getting as big as a percentage income of everyone buying crypto assets, so they probably figured, hey, why don't we just add all these away from Binance and all those other exchanges where you have to buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, ship them over to Binance, for example, convert it into an altcoin or whatever you're trying to get, mostly XRP, and then you have to ship it back to your wallet. So there's a lot of fees and mining fees and gas used in the process of this. Oh, where was I? Yes. Basically, what's happening is if the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commissions deems XRP as a security and Ripple Labs challenges it, it also has to go through the federal court. Hence, even for the U.S. SEC, it's possible that there currently exists no alternative but to wait the results of the pending case. With this being said, Ripple is on a teeter-totter right now. It's either going to go one of two ways. If it doesn't pass, Ripple XRP is going to take a big hit in market share and along with their price, obviously. Then again, if it goes in Ripple's favor and the U.S. federal court sees it as a security, you guys better be rolling up in your Bentleys, boys. With that being said, we're going to move on to our next topic, Bitcoin bomb threats. This is insane. I saw this on the news today, and I had to look it up on the computer to make sure this was legit. So we're on the Twitter page of the New York PD News. Please be advised, there is an email being circulated obtaining a bomb threat asking for Bitcoin payment. So it's basically like, yo, I'm going to send you this email. You're going to read it. And if you don't send me Bitcoin, I'm going to blow your ass up. While this email has been sent to numerous locations, searches have been conducted and no devices have been found. So to me, this sounds like someone on the computer, being a keyboard warrior, mass shooting emails through a database that they obtain emails from and they are saying they obtain emails from, and they are saying, yo, send me some Bitcoin or I'm going to come and blow you up, which is not going to happen. And he's probably leaving a wallet link for you to send it. All right. A lot of people don't know how to use cryptocurrencies, so you have to be selecting emails that you know people have registered through Binance or Coinbase or something like that, to have people be actively involved in cryptocurrency and to have an idea of what's going on with this wallet address. Because if you're the normal person, people are like, one, I don't know what Bitcoin is. Two, why are you threatening to blow me up if I don't give you Bitcoin? Three, I'd rather just write you a check. Just kidding. No. With that being said, though, I thought the comments were pretty funny. What's the payment address? I'm glad to see no one has fallen for it yet. I hope that when they catch those knuckleheads responsible for this, they set bail payable in Bitcoin only. Irony, huh? Here we go. We got someone over the email today. We reported it and our web developer found the source is from Russia. Big surprise. Not. It's Russian hackers, man. They know what they want. They know what they want. Alright, guys. And our next and final article of our speed rating of cryptocurrency news is why Bakkt and Nasdaq are betting on Bitcoin futures in 2019. Basically, if Bakkt and Nasdaq are loading up on cryptocurrencies right now, and this is 100% true of what they are going to do, they are going to get so rich, it's going to be ridiculous. Because when they release this as a security, everyone in their neighborhood is going to hop on. They don't know what Bitcoin is, but they're going to hop on to this train and they're going to ride it. But this is why we've been in it for so long. We are the pioneers. We are the believers of the future of fiat currency. Let's just go into this real quick, guys. There's been plenty of talk about the entrance of Bakkt into the market, and now Nasdaq is following suit. But while just 12 months ago, speculation about Bitcoin futures entering the market served to pump crypto prices, this time it's a very different scenario. The market is crashing. Naysayers are foretelling the end of crypto. It's not going to happen. You guys stick with it. The Bitcoin has lost over 80% of its value. So why are Bakkt and Nasdaq betting in Bitcoin futures in 2019? It's because they know that it's getting regulated right now. And they can list it all they want. They can list it, like, yeah, we'll back it. Sure. But they're buying it at a low time. They're buying and buying. That's why you see, my opinion is, you see it crash a little, and all of a sudden there's like a day where you see Bitcoin go up in 3%, 4%, 5%, right? They buy it, and then it's gonna crash a little, and then they buy it again. It crashes a little, and they buy again. So they're buying at a loss, but they know they're gonna make money on it because they're Nasdaq and Bakkt. Like, they know what's going to happen. So they're loading up on thousands and thousands of Bitcoin and Ethereum and Litecoin, whatever, XRP even, if they are going to list it. And when it goes public, they're going to make some major money. So we're going to scroll down to the Nasdaq follows suit. This is where the important and basically the meat of this article is at. Just as Bakkt announced the delay of Bitcoin futures trading to January 24th, 2019, Nasdaq announced that it will also be bringing a Bitcoin futures trading exchange to the market in the first quarter of the next year. This means that the world's second largest stock exchange is also giving the crypto community a much needed vote of support, betting on sustained interest in spite of the savage market. That's just insane. Like, you're having two of the most powerful stock exchanges in the world coming together, teaming up with other entities, building a platform. You don't think cryptocurrency is going to take off? Once they get involved, the people who've been hearing about this saying, nah, it's dumb, cryptocurrency is a waste of time, Bitcoin, whatever. Once they make this go public, guys, everyone is going to jump on this. Everyone's going to jump on this. It's going to shoot up like a bottle rocket. That's when we take our bags and we just dump it out. Dump it out here. Buy it. We just went up 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 10,000%. It's going to get interesting here, guys. 2019 is going to be the year for cryptocurrency, in my opinion. So with that being said, guys, stay tuned.